In this tutorial video for Sales Samurai, you will learn on how you're going to be able to do niche research and keyword research for your product or store on Etsy. With Sales Samurai, you will be able to figure out whether the products or niche you want to explore will be popular, in demand, or highly searched on Etsy. Now, if you want to give Sales Samurai a try, as you follow this tutorial, you may click the link in the description below, which will get you a free trial. Use the code CREATOR20 to get a 20% discount, but more on that later. Let's talk about, why niche research and keyword research is important to you. Now, doing niche research before launching your product is for you to know whether the product will be popular and in demand, okay? And highly searched or can break through the competition. Now, even if your store or the product is the most professional looking with high quality photos and products, it will not be worth the time and investment if you don't do enough niche research for yourself. This is where the almighty Sales Samurai will be valuable to you and your Etsy journey. So basically, this is Sales Samurai. You're going to come to salessamurai.io. You use it for doing your keyword research and niche research ahead of your time. So basically, I'm going to be showing you right now on how you're going to be able to do a basic and very standard search on Sales Samurai. So first of all, you're going to go to Sales Samurai's website over here, or you can click the link in the description below right now if you want to. Okay, once you do that, you're going to sign up and everything, and you're going to come to this place over here. So you're going to click the search button over here with the magnifying glass logo and go for a basic search, not single listing. Okay, so we're going to go here, and as you can see, you have single listing and basic search. We're going to go with the basic search, again, not single listing. Now you're going to search for product ideas to validate or products you already have. Okay, so in our case, we're going to go with scented candle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write scented candle right here. Okay, and once you write that in, you're going to click on search. Now there are three important categories to look at. Okay, long tail, Etsy search volume, and competition. Because whenever you search something on the basic search for your Sales Samurai, it takes a few seconds to load in your items, but when it does, again, you're gonna see your long tail over here, your Etsy search volume over here, and the competition on Etsy. So first, you want to ensure that it's a long tail keyword. So basically it means if it has a green check. Okay, so in long tail we can see that it does not have a green check, so that's not a good sign. It just means that you're aiming for a specific keyword, which is great. Now secondly, you're gonna go with the Etsy search volume. Okay, the higher the search volume, the better. It just means that a lot of people on Etsy search products using this exact keyword, so obviously the higher the better. Then the third would be competition, where it's your Etsy competition right here. So for this example, scented candle, the competition is really huge. It's 343,000. So the goal is to have a keyword with a relatively high Etsy search volume. Okay, so this should be high and this should be low. Okay, so obviously in this case, we can see that the search volume is, although 24,000 is a good number, but in, related to 343,000, it's pretty much nothing. So yeah, you get the point. Then you're also going to look for related keywords that will apply to your corresponding product. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is under suggestions will be a list of related keywords. So this is basically your list of related keywords both on these sides. So basically if you come down here, you can see your tag, shipping days and all, but obviously we're gonna go with the related keywords. So these are the related keywords, and they tell you this obviously in Etsy's most trending and Google's most trending, depending on whatever you want to go with. So scented candle, candle scented, almond scented candle, cherry scented candle, and a whole lot more. And then the same for Google. Okay, you have chocolate scented candle, chlorine scented candle, Catholic scented candle, and a whole lot more. So you get the point. So the keywords are related, and you can actually use the suggestion section that can explore it, and you can apply it to your own products if they're related. You can also see the Etsy search volume, click-through rate, and Google competition for each keyword. Okay, so you have search volume, you have click-through rate, and your competition over here. Okay, and obviously it depends if you want to opt for this. So in this case, obviously the competition is pretty high. So you can see that the rate of all of it, it's really high. So rate of success in this case, it's pretty low because the competition is high. Now on the left hand side will be the list of related tags. Okay, now the related tags are going to be somewhere down here. So here are your related tags. Okay, and in the related tags, people have also used, you can see the list of related tags that people have used for their scented candle keyword phrase. So, you know, scented candle, home decor, soy candle, soy wax candle, scented candles, gift for, etc., etc. So you get the point. Okay, then we can also do a competitor analysis with our Sales Samurai. Now, if we scroll a bit, we will see the average views. Okay, so this is our price spread and all. And these are our average views, shipping costs, and a whole lot of other things. Okay, so you get the point of all of that. And you can see the average likes and average photos for the keyword phrase you search for as well. Okay, and right below that section will be a list of top ranking products for that keyword phrase. You'll see valuable info about that listing, such as price, shipping days, photos, views, and likes all over here. Pretty great stuff. And basically, you can also click the logo under the details section. Okay, so you can get all the detail section in these listing sections as well if you want to. And what that will do is it will gather more data about the top ranking product that we just searched for. Now, moving on, we can also find keywords from top ranking competitors. Okay, so when it comes to finding keywords from top ranking competitors, you're going to click through the details of the top ranking listings from the keyword phrase you've searched for. So scented candle, for this example, you'll be sent to a far more detailed page which contains valuable data for that product listing. So let's say in our case, you have these listings over here. I'm going to go with, let's go with this one. Let's go with the first one. And look at this. You're going to go with a far more detailed page for this product listing that we see. And obviously it's going to take a few seconds to load up. And if this one takes a few seconds, we're also going to open this one. So as you can see, it opens up these two different things for us. Now here you can see the whole product page is open for us, and you'll see when the listing was last modified. You're going to see the price category. You're going to see a whole lot of other things as well with, you know, the details and titles, such as the total number of characters and images. And if you can't find them over here, there's not to worry about that. You can just check their details from this section over here. So let's say these succulent plants, we're going to check their details from here, and look at that. You can find all the things that I just stated: listing, less modified, price, category details. You can find them all over here. And right below the data is the list of tags. Okay, now in this list of tags, which was used for the product listing, you may opt to copy keyword phrases with the highest search volume and click-through rate. Obviously, you can copy these because these won't get you a copyright or anything, because you're not like copying someone's content. You're just copying some keyword, and keywords are free to use for the whole, you know, whole marketplace. Now, moving on, you can also do eyeing on your competitors. So if we hover to the left-hand side over here and we click on competition tracker, as the word suggests, you're essentially tracking top ranking shops under the niche that you want to be in. So to actually add shops, you're gonna basically, you know, add shops to track. You are also gonna simply search for a shop in the search bar. So, you know, let's say I'm just gonna put in candles. I'm gonna write candle, and once you write candle, obviously it's gonna give us some type of shop related to candles. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that shop to add the shop. And every time you go through your competition tracker tab, you'll be able to track the store's data or the shop's data ethically. We're not going to be doing anything non-ethically. Everything is going to be really straightforward and really simple and easy and ethical to work with. Now, moving on, what we're going to do is, once we have talked about adding shop and competition tracker, for each shop, you will also be able to see if the shop is still existing. You can see total sales, likes, and when it was actually created. Now, if you also click the details for this section, obviously once you see shops, you're going to click the details for this section, and you'll be able to see a graph dedicated for the sales history of that specific shop that you click the details for. Now, moving on, you can also make use of the profit calculator. Now, the profit calculator over here is one of the most valuable features of Sales Samurai. Just input the numbers and it'll tell you an estimated profit minus fee and taxes. So I'm going to come to the calculator over here. and you can put in the prices. So you're going to type in the product price. So let's say I'm going to add in $9. The shipping price is $4. Okay. Then we have our discount. I'm going to keep it 0 for now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you have your labor cost. Let's say the labor cost is $4.5. Material cost, and a whole lot of other things if you have a helper with you. So, you have all these things. And once you do that, you have all these offsite ads fee that you can choose and a whole lot of other things. Once you do that, you're going to click on calculate, and you can see that the internal shipping price is going to be $13. Okay, so you get the point. So you can click calculate, add your prices, and you can see how much you're going to be making after a sale. Now you can also add Sales Samurai to your Chrome extensions. Okay, so to make products more research seamless, just click on Chrome extension on the upper right over here. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the Chrome. And what's going to happen is that you're just going to add it to your Chrome and you're good to go. Now, how are you going to use Sales Samurai Chrome extension on Etsy? You're going to basically go to your Etsy account as so. So go to any Etsy account. Now, once you're into your Etsy account, you're going to come to the search bar. Okay. And in the search bar, you're going to type in a keyword for a product that applies to your niche. So there are 2 numbers on each keyword result. So let's say I'm going to write shirt. I'm just going to write that. Now, as you can see, you get these things. Now, one's on the left-hand side over here and one's on the right-hand side. So there are 2 numbers. Blue numbers right next to the search results refer to the amount of search volume. Okay. And you're going to click the number on the far side of the result over here where it says 500 more. So I'm going to go with shirts and click on 500 more. Now, it'll bring you to a new page where you can see related keywords and search volumes and competition for each keyword. You'll see that the most of the keywords have a very high competition because obviously shirts is a very overused word on the Google Marketplace. And then what you want to do is filter out the results so you get keyword phrases with good search volume and relatively low competition. So basically, under search volume, what you can do is go for at least 1,000, obviously. And for competition, go for at least 1,500. So this makes sure that the search volume and competition is on par, not too far apart. And then click filter to have a new list of keyword phrases. So we're going to click on filter and look at this. It gives us new list of keyword phrases. You're going to copy keyword phrases that can be applied to your niche. And if you're exploring new niches to try out, this method is also incredible. So as you saw, there are tons and tons of benefits of using Sales Samurai to improve one's product on Etsy. So as you saw, what we did was we made our Sales Samurai account by clicking the link in the description below. Once we made the account, we used the search to basically scour through the Etsy market by adding in our keywords. Then we went through the product listings, we saw the tags, we saw all the different uses of keywords and a whole lot of other things. And once we did that, we also made our competition tracker. We used the calculator. We also added our Sales Samurai extension, which helped us with the Etsy shopping even more on the whole Etsy store. So basically, we saw that Sales Samurai helped us gather all this information in the least amount of time with the greatest tools. Okay, it's absolutely quickly in time. Okay, it does not consume your time at all. It's not time consuming at all. It saves a lot of time. It's absolutely simple and very easy to learn, and the user interface is absolutely out of this world. So all these things are pretty great to work with on Sales Samurai. So if you want to give Sales Samurai a try, you may click the link in the description down below, which will get you a free trial. Use the code CREATOR20 to get a 20% discount. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now, if you enjoyed it, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel because that surely helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.